Hello my friends and welcome back to David Media channel. We will continue the project with the search function. Let's go back to the code editor and open the app.js file. First we need to build the search component and we have to import the button input and typography from undesign. And then we need to add a new state for the filtering. So we have useState filter and the initial state is null. And in the return section, we need to add a new column. The span also 24. And in here, we also need a new row. Let's set the space 12 and 12 for the letter. And we have the column. Let's add some responsive property. And then we have typography. The style is color. The text is white. We have keyword. And then we have another column. And in this column, we put the input. And the on-chain is we will handle the keyword change. And we will define the handle keyword change later. The placeholder is enter keyword. And we also need another column for the button. And when we click on this button, we will get on the movie. Let's set the label for this button is get on movies. Okay, and now we will define the handle keyword change and handle get on movie. Okay, for the handle keyword change, it will take in an event. And we will get the value from this event. So we have event dot target dot value. And after that, we will handle filter change. We will define a new function to handle the filter change. This function will take in a key and a value, and I will define here. When the filter change, we will define a new filter. It will clone the current filter and add a new key with the value. So if the value is null, we will delete the key in the new filter, and then we will set the filter with the new filter. And When we click on the get all, this means that we don't need the filter, so we will set the filter to no. And whenever the filter change, we will get the movie list again. So we have use effect, and let's put the filter at the dependency here. So we have get movie list, and we pass the filter here. And now let's save it and go back to the web browser. Let's search for Iron Man. Okay, we can search for the movie now. So let's search for holiday. So we have Beans Holiday. And when I click on get all movie, so we have all movie again. But we have an issue. Let's open the inspect and open the network. Now I want to type here. You see, I have 4 characters here and it's called the API 4 times. I just want to call the API when I stop typing for a given time. So let's go back to the code editor. We need to implement the debounce. And let's import useRef from React. We'll create a typing timeout ref. And in the handle keyword change event, if typing timeout ref current, we will clear the timeout for the typing timeout ref current. And then we will set timeout for the typing timeout ref. We will set the timeout to 800 milliseconds. And after we type in the keyword input, it will wait for 800 milliseconds and then call the API. So let's go back to the web browser. We try again. Now if I type THE and wait, so it will just call API one time. If I keep typing, you see, it's not called API, but when I stop, it will call. So I will look for the mummy. Okay, I have the result here. So we have successfully implemented the debounce for searching. And now I want combine the keyword with the change here. When we click on the change, we will have the movie by change and also by the keyword. So let's go back to the code editor and let's go to the change component. And we will use the onChain props and call the handle filter chain. And let's also open the change component. In the onLink of the component, we will handle select chain, and let's define the function here. Handle select chain. We have the ID, and we will call the onChain. This prop will call the handle filter chain, so we need the key. The key is chain ID, and the value is the ID. And we also need to define a props for this component that is selected item. Let's call it selected. And we need to add a body style for the code. Just wanna set the background color if the selected item equal to the chain ID in the code, so we'll display it in different color. So we have background color. If it's equal to the chain ID, we will display it in a red color, otherwise no. And now let's go back to the app.js file. We will define here the selected p filter chain ID. And for the keyword here, let's also have a state for that. Keyword, the initial state is null, and when we handle the keyword change, we will set the keyword to the value. And when we get all movies, we will set the keyword to null. And let's set the value for the keyword input is keyword. Okay, let's save the file and go back to the web browser. I will select on the action movie. So it's called the API, and we have 5 movies here. And the selected item display in the red color. If I click on Brahmins, so we have 1 movie. If I click on adventure and let's compile with the keyword, we have pirate. So we have filtered the movies by chain and keyword successfully. And now when I click on get all movies, so we have all of them. So we have done the tutorial for the Graphql Node.js React from scratch. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any question or idea, just leave your comment below. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to get the latest video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next tutorial.